Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLS. Timeless and sensual, this CLS is ready to provide a drive you will never forget. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, refrigerated box located in the console, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, twin turbo V8 engine, four-wheel drive, external memory control, power tilting steering column, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and multi-zone climate control. Automobile raves, this is the best-looking CLS yet. Its revised front end sporting fat air intakes and a chrome diamond grille that resembles a constellation of stars. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,